Welcome to my YouTube channel Data Science with Piyush. We understand the question number 3 and 4. So question number 3, what are suitable data structure and algorithm for addressing the task described in question number 2? So now we see the now we see the third question answer. So data types are string, array, list, hash table, graph, priority queue, dictionary, um, and etc. Now we see the question number 4. Explain how this structure and algorithm can be applied to efficiency. Classify the complaint into a appropriate IPC or BNS section. So our inputs are text data. So we use for the text data string, array, list for storing tokenization text, and a hash table or dictionary for the word frequency. Knowledge graph for storing knowledge graph. We use data type graph database for storing IPC and BNS section and relationship. Hash table or dictionaries for mapping keywords to the IPC and BNS section. For name entity recognition, we use list or array for storing extract entities, and a hash table or dictionaries for entity frequency. We use for part of speech, list or array for storing part of speech text, and a hash table or a dictionary for the part of speech text frequency. Dependency parsing we use for storing dependency parsing. Graph data structure for storing sentence and uh, structure storing sentence and dependency. Hash table or dictionaries for storing dependency relationship. IPC and BNS section identification, we use hash table or dictionaries for mapping keywords to the IPC and BNS section. A list or array for storing identified IPC and BNS section. We use priority queue or a heap for ranking IPC and BNS section, and hash table or dictionaries for filtering out low confidence sections. Additional data structure, we use prefix tree for efficient text matching, suffix tree for efficient substring matching, graph neural network for learning relationship between IPC and BNS section. Thank you for seeing my video.